Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about creating an array. In the previous class I have discussed about what is array and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of array. Okay. So if you want to create array, it contains three important steps. Okay, like any other variables, arrays must be declared and created in the computer memory before they are used. For example, if you want to use a variable like a is equals to 10, first you need to declare that variable. You need to allocate memory for that variable. After that, you can use that variable. So here also arrays must be declared and created before using. So creation of arrays involves three steps. First one, declaring the array, creating memory locations, and initializing the array. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first one is declaration. Declaration is nothing but defining the type of data. Okay, so we already discussed array is nothing but collection of similar data elements. So variable is used to hold only one value. So if you want to store collection of values in only one single variable, we use arrays. Okay. So declaration is nothing but specifying the data type. So you want to store 10 values. So 10 values are which data type? Whether it is integer data types or float data type or string data type. You need to specify the data type in declaration. Okay. So arrays just declared in two forms. Okay. So arrays can be declared in two forms. The first form is data type. Array name square brackets are used to represent it is a array. Okay, data type array name square brackets or data types brackets array name. So you can use any of the form. Okay, example, int is a data type, num is a array name. Okay, next is square brackets. This is known as declaration of array. So here you need to remember one point, that is we do not enter the size of array in declaration. Okay, we have seen that in C we use it to declare arrays like data type array name of size, but in Java you don't enter the size of array in declaration. Okay, so if you specify the size, it will generate error. The next one is creation of arrays. So in declaration, we need to specify the data type. In creation, we need to allocate the memory for values. Okay. So after declaring an array, we need to create it in the memory. Java allows us to create arrays using new operator only. Okay, so if you want to allocate the memory, compulsory you need to use new keyword. Okay, so we already declared the array data type array name square brackets, and after that array name is equals to new data type of size. Okay, new data type of size, here new is a keyword. Okay, so here int num square brackets, and after that array name. Array name is num, new data type is int of size. So 5 memory locations are allocated continuously. You can store 5 elements. Okay. And after creation of memory locations, so the next step is initialization. Okay. So here this is the long process. First we need to declare, and after that we need to create memory locations. Data type array name. Array name is equals to new data type of size. Okay. You can use a short form also, like data type array name is equals to new data type of size. You can use this form. Okay. The next one is initialization of array. So we already declared the type of variable and we already assigned the memory locations. Okay, next we need to store values into memory locations. Okay, this is known as initialization. The syntax is array name of subscript. Okay, so here you need to give the index value, whether you want to store the first variable, first value, second value, or third value. Okay, subscript is equals to value. So I want to store at 0th index, a of 0 is equals to 10. A is known as array name, subscript is 0 is equals to 10. So in the 0th memory location, in the 0th index, it will store 10. In first index, it will store 20, like that. Okay. We can also initialize arrays automatically in the same way as ordinary variable when they are declared as below. Okay, so like variables int a is equals to 10, so we are declaring and we are initializing. Like that we can also declare and initialize arrays automatically. Okay, like this: data type array name square brackets is equals to list of values. So here you can give the number of values you want: 10, 20, 30, like this. Okay, so this is known as declaration and initialization at the same time. Okay, so this is declaration and creation. Int data type array name is equals to new data type of size. So 10 memory locations are allocated. The first memory location is represented with num of 0. So here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 are called index value. Every array element contain unique index value. Okay, so 20 contains 0 index, 30 contain 1 index, and 120 contains 6th index. Every element contain unique index value. So if you want to access any of the value through index value, we can use. Okay, num is a array name. Okay, so here num is a array name. Next, here array element at index 4. So for suppose if you want to say the index value of 80, so it is located at num of 4, array name of index value, like this. Okay, so if the array size is 10, it starts with 0 up to size minus 1, 10 minus 1, 9. So this number of indexes are allotted. Array num has 10 elements of int type and indices are from 0 to 9. Okay, so see this example program. First we are creating one class assign values. So this is the class name and declared as public. So this is access specifier and this is main method. Next I am declaring one array. So how to declare array? Data type array name subscript. Next I want to allocate memory for array. Array name is equals to new data type of 10. So 10 memory locations are allocated. Next we need to initialize the array. Okay, number of 0 is equals to 11. So in 0th index value 11. So up to you can store the number of values. Okay, so in this way we can declare, create and initialize arrays. You can do all these in only one step also, like this. Okay, so no need to declare, no need to allocate memory. You can directly use this step. Okay, data type array name subscript is equals to list of values. Okay, based on our requirement we can use. Okay, so see this example. This is simple example. This is the main method. So I declared and initialized at the same time. Int my array subscript is equals to 1 2 3 4 5. So I store 5 elements. Okay, if you want to display all the elements, if you want to display any particular element, like I want to display 2, so you can display, what is the array name? My array of 2. So I want to display only particular position index value. So this is 0 1 2 3 4. So I want to display 3, so that's why I'm giving my array of 2. I want to display all the elements. Okay, so that's why I'm using for loop. Why for loop is used? For loop is used to execute one statement number of times. Okay, so I want to execute this statement 5 times. Why? Because I want to display 5 elements. I is equals to 0. 0 less than 5 is true. If it is true, the statement is executed. My array of I value is 0. So 0th index value will be displayed. Next I value is incremented. Now I value is 1. So my array of 1. Next element 2 is displayed. Next I value is incremented to 3. 2. 2 less than 5 is true. Like this you can display all the elements. Let me execute this program. So what is the class name? Array. array.java. Next we need to run the program java array. So here 5 elements will be displayed. So in this way you can create, initialize and declare the array. I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.